HTML formatting elements. Okay, so formatting elements are designed to display special type of text. Okay, these elements are designed to display special type of text format. Okay, special type of text format, nothing but suppose you want to display text in bold text, or you want to display text in italic text format. Okay, or you want to highlight the word. Okay, so like these formats you can do using HTML formatting elements. Okay, so formatting elements are bold text format. Okay, and the second one italic text format, and third one marker text, and the fourth one small text, and the fifth one deleted text. Okay, and the sixth one uh, subscript and superscript, or subscript and superscript. Okay, superscript. Okay, so bold italic text format, and marker text small deleted. Okay, subscript and superscript. Okay, so here is the formatting elements. Okay, bold type text format and italic text format. So you want to display bold type text format. Okay, we can use b tag to display bold text format. Okay, bold text, this is bold text. Okay, to display bold text use b tag, and to display italic text format use I tag. Okay, defines with I tag. Okay, defined with I tag. Okay, so this defines with the I tag. Okay, starting tag and ending tag. Okay, to display italic text format. And for marker text format, mark tag we have to use mark tag. Okay, to
నాకే వస్తుంది ప్రైవేట్ మెసేజ్.
highlight the text.
ఆల్రెడీ
Okay, to
ఓటోమేటిక్ జమ
highlight the
అవుతుంది
text.
కదా. నేను అదే పై పై కూడా పెట్టుకుంటా.
Okay, so to highlight the text format use mark tag, and the small text format to display small text format. Okay, instead of normal text use small tag. Okay, use small tag to display small text format. Okay, and next deleted text format. Okay, so deleted text format is apply the hover line. Okay, hover line for the text. Display hover line. Okay, on the text. Okay, DL tag we have to use. Defined with DL tag. Okay, DL tag to define the deleted text format. And superscript and subscript. For example, you want to display 10 square, okay, 10 cube, so like that numbers. Okay, we can use subscript and superscript. Okay, sub tag, and first superscript sub tag. Okay, so these are the formatting elements. So open Visual Studio. Okay,
Can you turn off your volume, please, everyone?
add HTML form. Formatting elements. And okay, first of all, bold type text format. So this is sample example for bold text. Okay, so if you run this example, okay, paragraph is displayed in the browser. Okay, so but this is normal text format, and you want to apply bold text, okay, for this paragraph, use b tag. Okay, I want to display sample example, these two words in bold, use b tag. Okay, within the paragraph we can use b tag. Okay, sample example, so these two words is in bold text. And the next one, italic text format. Sample text for italic text format. Okay, to display italic text format, use I tag. Okay, so that word will display in italic text format. Okay, so this word is in italic text format. And next one, mark text. Okay, to highlight the word or to highlight the paragraph, use mark tag. Paragraph, this is mark tag example. Okay, mark tag example, so use mark tag to highlight these two words. Okay, mark tag will highlight. Okay, so in yellow color, so these two words is highlighted, so that is called mark tag. And the next one, small text format. This is small text. Okay, so use small tag. Okay, small. So this text is displayed in the small format, small text format. Okay, so this is actual paragraph uh, font size. So, but this is a small text format. Okay, so small text and deleted text format. This is for deleted text format. Okay, so apply del tag, del. Okay, so hoverline is applied for the word deleted. Okay, so deleted for this word. Okay, deleted word hoverline is applied. So because deleted text format, the word is deleted. Next is superscript and subscript. So I want to display uh, just 10 square. Okay, 10 and sup superscript. Okay, 2. Okay, so 10 square is displayed. 2 is in superscript and subscript bottom of the text content. Okay, 10 sub and 2. Okay, so these are the formats available, okay, in HTML. So bold type text format, italic text format, markup text, small text and deleted text, superscript and subscript. Okay, so these are the formats. Next one, the HTML comments. HTML comments. So these comments are used to insert comments or insert the code description in the source code. These comments are used to insert code description, okay, code description in the source code. Okay, so this is must and should to implement the okay applications. Okay, compulsory you have to insert the code description, okay, to understand the concept. Okay, why you write the code. Okay, so easily understand the another developer also. Okay, so before you write the code, compulsory you have to explain the code. Okay, for which purpose you are writing. So comment tag is used to insert the comments or code description, and these comments are not displayed in the browser. Okay, comments are not displayed in the browser. Okay, comments are not displayed in the browser. And if you don't want to execute some block of code, okay, if you don't want to execute some block of code, okay, if you don't want to execute some block of code, you can put that code in comments. Okay, so browser will not execute that block. Okay, so comments are used to explain our code, and if you don't want to execute some block of code, you can put that code in comments. Okay, browser will not execute that block. Okay, so comment syntax. Okay, comment syntax. So this is the HTML comment syntax. Okay, less than, not symbol. Okay, and hyphen hyphen. Okay, this is starting tag. Comment starting tag, and with hyphen hyphen greater than. Okay, so this is the comment syntax in HTML. So for example, I don't want to display these 4 paragraphs. Okay, so here in this example, I don't want to execute these 4 paragraphs. So I can put these 4 paragraphs in the comment. Okay, so this is multiple line comment. Okay, less than, not symbol, hyphen hyphen, and hyphen hyphen greater than symbol, so that browser will not execute these comments. Okay, only 3 paragraphs is displayed. Okay, and also you can explain our code. So like this. Okay, below paragraph is for explain bold text format. Okay, so like this you can insert the comments for our coding. Okay, so if you are implementing the application in real time, okay, compulsory you have to write the code description. Okay, for which purpose we are writing that code and what is the use of that code, so that easily another person, another developer also easily understand. And next one is HTML tables. Okay, so HTML tables. So these tables are defined with the table tag, defined with the table tag, and end with the, so this is the table tag. Okay, end with the table tag. Okay, so this is starting tag and ending tag, and these tables are divided into rows and columns. Okay, tables are divided into rows and columns. Tables are divided into rows and columns. So rows defined with tr tag. Okay, and end with tr tag. Okay, so for row also starting tag and ending tag. Okay, column tag defined with td and end with td tag. Okay, so tables are divided with defined with the table tag, and these tables are divided into rows and columns. Rows defined with the tr tag, and columns are defined with the td tag. Okay, so syntax for the table. Okay, table tag and tr. So this is the first row of table. Okay, so in first row we can assign number of columns td. Okay, so first row 3 columns, and next tr. Okay, td. Okay, td. Okay, so table syntax. Okay, so first row contains 3 columns, and second row also contains 3 columns. So we can insert table inside table. Okay, so we can insert table inside table. So we add one HTML form, tables. Okay, so this is a employee name. Okay, so like this, so tables we can use to display the data in the table format. Employee name and the employee code. Okay, and email id. Okay, so this has header columns, and from this second row, test emp1, test emp2. Okay, so like this we can insert the employees. Okay, email id. Okay, so run this example. Okay, so this is in table format. Okay, employee name, employee code, and email id. Okay, so number of employees can display here. And next one, HTML list elements. Okay, HTML list elements. So list elements are two types. List elements are two types, and first one is ordered list Okay, order list, and second one unordered list. Okay, so unordered list. So these are the two types. List elements are ordered list and unordered list. So ordered list is typically a numbered list of items. Okay, and a type attribute can be added to the order list. Okay, to define the types for the list items. Okay, order list. This list typically in numbered list. Okay, typically numbered list. A type attribute we can use. Okay, type attribute can be used to can be used to the order list. Okay, order list. Okay, use HTML OL tag to define the order list. Use OL tag to define okay, so order list. So use OL tag to define the order list. OL tag and so you OL tag. Okay, OL tag defined with order list. OL tag element is defined an order list, and use the HTML type attribute to define the numbering types. Use HTML type attribute to define the numbering type. Okay, so type attribute can accept values like type equal to 1. Okay, and type equal to a. Okay, type equal to a and type equal to a, small a, and type equal to upper Roman and lower Roman. Okay, upper Roman and lower Roman. Okay, so this type attribute can accept the values a, okay, and 1 numeric values and alphanumeric values and Roman numbers. Okay, upper Roman and lower Roman. So create one HTML form. Okay, order list. Okay, you use OL tag to define okay order list, and LI tag to define the list of items. LI tag Okay, LA tag defined to provide list items. Okay, provide list items. Okay, so one example on order list. Here we can display number of cities information. Okay, cities names. Okay, so Hyderabad. Okay, and Bangalore. And LA tag. Okay, so Pune. Okay, so Chennai. So run this example. Okay, so number of list items is displayed. Number of list items is displayed. Okay, by using order list. Okay, order list by default take the number values. Okay, so one. So by default it will take the values. Okay, for list items. For example, you want to display. Okay, you want to display uh, alphanumeric and Roman numbers. So just use type attribute. Okay, type attribute equal to a, so that it will apply the only. Okay, so caps letters. Okay, A B C D. So like this, and you want to display upper Roman. Okay, use type attribute and okay, and upper Roman value. Okay, so this is upper Roman serial. Okay, and next one is order list. Order list is completed. Another list. Okay, so another list. This list start with the UL tag. List start with the EL tag. Okay, another list. Another list defined with the UL tag, and each list item start with the LA tag. Okay, each list item start with the LA tag. Okay, so HTML style attribute to define the bullet styles. Okay, we have four types of list style types. So first one is disk, circle, and square, and none. Okay, so HTML style attribute to define the bullet styles. Okay, use HTML. Use HTML list style type. List style type format. Okay, this attribute. Okay, so attribute and apply values. Okay, use list style type attribute and okay, list style type format. So here this is order list. Okay, order list. Okay, another list. EL tag we can use. Okay, and same list items. Use style attribute. Okay, and list style type. Okay, this property we have to use to define list style types. Okay, that is called disk. Okay, if you use disk format, disk value. Okay, so bullet styles is applied. Okay, so without using list style type attribute. Okay, okay, without using style attribute also, by default it will take bullets. Okay, by default it will take bullets only. Okay, and after that we can provide list style types like a disk. Okay, and circle. Okay, this is bullet styles. And next one is bullet and circle. Okay, if you use circle value, okay, circles is applied for the list items. And square. Okay, square boxes is applied for the list items. Okay, square boxes. So this is called okay list style type. Okay, so this list style type property, okay, we can use in the unordered list. And next one is HTML controls. HTML controls. The first basic control is button. Okay, button control. Okay, so using HTML buttons we can submit data into the server. Okay, using HTML button we can submit data into the server. Okay, or you want to perform some action on the HTML form, or you want to execute some block of JavaScript code, okay, to execute some function in the JavaScript. Okay, so you can use buttons. Okay, these buttons are used to submit or insert the data into the database or to read the data from the database. So here we can create button in two ways. First of all, we can use button tag. Okay, and the type equal to button. Okay, and click me. And one more way to create buttons, use input type equal to button. Okay, type equal to button. Okay, okay, input tag close and text box. Okay, so this is the two ways. Second way, right? Button type equal to button. Okay, click on this button. Okay, so buttons are two types to create. Okay, so one for button tag and second one is input tag. Okay, so these buttons are used to execute some block of code, okay, JavaScript code, or to insert the data into the database, or to read the data from the database. HTML button. So these are the two properties, two syntaxes to create button. Okay. Okay, input tag. Type equal to button and value equal to click on me and close this button. Okay, so these are the two ways to create buttons. Okay, these two buttons, click me and click on me. Okay, and the second one is text box. Okay, so these text box are used to enter the user input. Okay, text box is used to enter user inputs. Okay, user inputs to the database. So syntax. Okay, text box, user can enter input data, and syntax is input type equal to text and placeholder name. Okay, so this is the text box. Okay, type equal to text. Okay, so user can enter input data. So using text box. Okay, compulsory enter the data. Okay, user data in the text box, and after that click on the save button to submit the data into the database. Submit the data to the database. And next one is file upload control. Okay, so file upload. The input file upload object represents an HTML input element. Okay, input file upload input file upload object represents an HTML input input element with type equal to 5. Okay, type equal to file. Okay, so file upload update is input. We can use input tag and with the type equal to file. Okay, so for example, you want to submit the you want to send one file to the anyone. Okay, so you can upload the file using file upload control. Okay, you want to save the data. Okay, you want to save the file into the drive. Okay, you can upload that file into the drive using file upload controls. So like attachments, input type equal to file. Okay, so now run this example. So choose file. So no file chosen. So when you click on this button, okay, so you can select the files. Okay, so it will show the selected file name. Okay, so nowadays number of file upload controls is there. Okay, jQuery, AngularJS, and Bootstrap. Okay, number of file upload controls is there. Okay, to upload the multiple files at a time. Okay, this control selects only, okay, upload only one file at a time. Okay, we cannot select multiple and we cannot upload multiple files using this control. Okay, compulsory we have to use jQuery or AngularJS or Bootstrap or any latest frameworks. Okay, file upload controls. Okay, so file upload, and after that text area. Text area tag defines multi-line plain text input control. Okay, text area control. Text area control or tag. Okay, defines a multi-line plain text. Defines okay multi-line text. Okay, text area defines a multi-line text content. Okay, so user can enter text in multi-line format. Okay, so but in text box we can enter, okay, user can enter in single line. Okay, for the text boxes only single line. For example, you want to copy paste your resume in the job portal. So in that scenario, we can use text array control to upload the multi-line text. Okay, to save the multi-line text content. So we can use text area and the syntax. Okay, text area. Okay, so this is the text area control. Okay, to enter the multi-line plain text, and we can restrict the control by using rows and columns. Okay, rows, 6 rows need, and columns. Okay, so to columns is 10 columns width. Okay, this is the height and width of the text array control. Okay, text array control height is 6 lines, that is called 6 rows height and 10 columns width. A text area tag, rows, row 6, and columns is 8 columns. Okay, so now run this example. Okay, so this is the multi-line text control. So okay, you can enter number of text content, number of lines of text content. Okay, so this content is rows 6 rows height and 8 columns width. Okay, and after that it will goes to the next line. So like this.